All right, we just pulled up to our first Carnage. Nice. We got Clout with his 42s and the Demon. So we got Jeeps versus my one side by side.
Coming off both wheels, come down. Right.
All right, we got the Can-Ams here, the Maverick Rs. Both pretty much the same car. We got 35s on each one. They're old Rockzillas. Thank you, Nahi. Clout, you can call me Nighthawk.
Night dildo.
So we have made it out here to Moab for the Jeep Safari. As you can tell, all we have is Jeeps in this crew, except for one noob, and that would be me with the side-by-side. I am Jeepless. I don't own a Jeep. So we messed up the steering rack, but already ordered a new one. Got a brand new, it's just the OEM one. There's no aftermarket ones. Hopefully you guys aren't needing aftermarket steering racks like I do. Apparently the Maverick R doesn't like me and it likes other people. But Sean has fine-tuned the cage. He's got her all white. Yes, we are going to be changing some other colors, but I wanted to get the white cage on here. He's got it all fine-tuned. So mad shout out to Sean.
How's it going? I'm Sean. I own Moab Motorsports, and this is the first Maverick R cage that we've done so far. Ready to do a bunch more and see where this kind of takes us.
So how much would a cage like this one cost?
So this one here, basic how it is with dual whip tabs, V-bars, is going to be running about 200 bucks. And each little thing we can add on is, you know, you want grab handles, you want a tandem tab or light bar tabs. We can go however you want to make it. We can gusset it, do specific ways, and, you know, built to the way you want it to be. So
awesome. And you also just put my steering rack in because it was a nightmare just getting into the shop, so I appreciate that. So if you do need other stuff done other than just the cage, he can mechanic, he can do oil changes. You can do it all, right, Sean?
I do a little bit of everything. So I'm not limited to just fabrication. I do installs, wiring, the whole
Awesome.
9 yards that you can possibly do with these cars.
And you also put a chase light on here.
Yes.
So now I can make it to this Moab trek and see if Clout, make sure he's happy with my lights here, you know, because Clout's going to be running his mouth. But this guy owns both, the Mav R and the Jeep. What do you got here, Clout?
Jeep.
A Jeep. It's just a Jeep.
A Jeep.
A Jeep that says Rubicon on here. And then there's a little stock edition Demon.
It's a Demonator.
Right. So only about 850 horse. Is that all it is?
840 on race.
840 on race. And then looks like you got some cheap shocks.
Yep.
And then some 42s.
42s. Nittos.
Nittos. So I guess we'll see if this thing can do anything. I mean, I'm pretty doubtful. Ooh. A little more angle I think we need. Oh, that's a bumper. We're gonna be rocking and banging today. Oh. Not happening. We need a little more height. Have to take a little easier line here.
There you go. Raise it up.
Oh yeah, here we go.
She's on you, Jeremy. Oh, don't put that juju on me, buddy.
Here we go. We're first Jeep's gonna try the hard line. Harder line. Oh, there we go. With the bumper cleared. Look at her go. Just throwing down. We're all focused on you, you know. She rolls, it's all on you, brother.
Always on.
Here we go. Reline up. No bueno. See if we can get Clout to take his demon through this. Nice. We got smoke. We got smoke. All right, now we get Clout. Clout, take your demon through that. See if we can get Clout here to go straight on. I'm trying to get him to come straight right here into this hole that's about 12 feet tall. Let's see if he wusses out. Where are you? That's the wrong way. Clout. This way. Wrong direction. What the heck? Come on. You invite me out to just wuss out?
Try it. Well, yeah, there is. Right here's your line, the stump, and go. What a vagina. Super vagina. You ain't even doing that. Whoa. Whoa. I got that one. Once you get in it, once you step up, then no, get on up. A little more, a little more. There you go, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. Well, spectators, Can-Am 1, Jeeps none.
We got Clout and the demon. 42s. We are on Metal Masher. What do you think, Clout? Has it been so challenging?
Super challenging and technical.
What did Sean call you? Bypasser?
Keith.
Was it bypasser?
Oh, I call that.
Oh.
second and then it quit grabbing.
It did grab for a second?
When you got up here, yeah.
The front did?
Yeah, for a second and then it quit grabbing again. You're basically you can hear the front locker go right? So that's just because the front end is, there's something in between there that gets the accident.
So this right here got hit with the steering rack, so it's kicking me. It got loose, so I think it's just kicking me out of four-wheel drive. Yeah. Out of everybody, the red Jeep here, she is getting us all. My four-wheel drive is not working. Every now and then it'll click in and then it won't. Stop! There you go, nice. Nice. Plow was going too fast and the bump stop hit. Big old dent right there. Big old dent. Little Hellraiser here. 840 horse on the old Demon. This thing's freaking sick. Big old 42s. Now the old Jeep Safari out here, it was a great time out here, even though I'm in a side-by-side, but with all the Jeep friends, we had a great time out here. Moab's really good time. I mean, I just drove the whole car today in 2-wheel drive, and then if the 4-wheel drive was working, it would do the obstacles. So it was awesome. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Peace.
The only thing that will make us happier is if you liked and subscribed.
Anybody else's heart?
Holy sh! Hell yeah.
Did you get him? You got him. Go, go, go.
Desert SXS road trip with the Wolf Pack.